Are you frustrated by the error message that says, cannot find module lib/utils/unsupported.js when you try to start your Ionic project? You're not alone. Today, we're going to tackle this issue head-on and get you back on track. I completely understand how annoying it can be to encounter errors when you're just trying to get your project off the ground. This is a common issue that many developers face, and it can be quite a roadblock. Let's dive into the specific question at hand. One user recently reported, "I always get this error message when I run Ionic start project name." This error can be quite perplexing, but together we can figure it out. So what does this error mean? Essentially, it indicates that the Ionic framework is unable to locate a specific module that it needs to run. This can happen for a variety of reasons, including issues with your installation or missing files. Stick around, because at the end of this video, I will share a crucial tip that can help prevent this error from happening in the future. To resolve the error, the user should first ensure that their Node.js installation is up to date. This is crucial because outdated versions can lead to compatibility issues. Next, the user should clear the npm cache. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing the error. The command to do this is simple. After clearing the cache, the user should try reinstalling the Ionic CLI. This can be done by running a specific command in the terminal. Finally, the user should attempt to create a new Ionic project again. This time, the process should complete without errors. Fun fact, did you know that the first version of Ionic was released back in 2013? It has come a long way since then, but sometimes even the best tools can run into hiccups. Now let's look at the answers provided by other users. An alternative solution comes from another user who suggests downloading Node.js from the official website. They found that this resolved the issue for them. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution provided by another user suggests that if you're on Windows, you should remove the npm folder located in your app data roaming directory. That's all on that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests reinstalling Node.js to resolve the error. They recommend removing the npm directory, uninstalling Node, and then reinstalling it. That's it for that answer. Let's take a look at another one. An alternative solution provided by another user involves 3 simple steps. First, clear the npm cache forcefully by running npm cache clean-f. Next, install the n-package globally using npm with the command npm install-gn. Finally, you can install Node.js using one of 3 options. To get the stable version, use sudo n-stable. For the latest version, use sudo n-latest. Or for a specific version, use sudo n followed by the version number. Now, let's see a response from a different user. An alternative solution comes from a user who encountered this error after mixing installation methods. They initially installed Node.js from the website and later updated it using Homebrew. To resolve the issue, they uninstalled the Homebrew version and reinstalled Node.js directly from the official website. They found that reinstalling via Homebrew did not work for them. Here's the tip I promised. Always keep your development environment updated. Regular updates can help you avoid many common issues, including this one. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the error and get your Ionic project up and running. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more troubleshooting tips, and remember to keep your environment updated.